Today we're going to talk about how to write a works cited page. It's pretty easy. The first thing you have to do is go to the bottom of wherever your research paper has ended and insert a page break. Works cited pages always start on their own page, but this page does not count toward the page requirements for your research paper. Our research paper has to be 3 to 4 pages. The works cited will be the 4th or 5th page, depending on how many pages you fill with your writing. At the top of the page, type the words works cited and then center them. That's the only special thing you're going to do with this title. Please don't use bold or underline or anything like that. Next, you're going to hit enter and you're going to align on the left. The works cited, like the rest of the research paper, needs to be double spaced. Now, you're going to want to make sure that you have your source notes to hand. Here I have a sample source notes page. When you did your source notes, you used easybib.com to create citations for each of your sources. What you're going to do now is you're going to copy and paste these citations onto the last page of your research paper. If a URL comes up, see how this website here turned blue? Click once with the left mouse button and click remove. You should not have a URL in your works cited. You're going to copy and paste each of the citations onto this final page. If you added a source after you did your source notes, please make sure that it also appears on the works cited page. The other thing that I want to stress is that your works cited needs to be in alphabetical order. So here I have Cathorn coming before Clifford. If you don't have an author for some of your sources, and you might not, especially on a website, you're going to put that into the list based on the first letter of the first word of the title. So here we have male supremacy coming after Curavel. Don't use the, or an when figuring out the first word of an article title. They're not considered part of the title for alphabetizing purposes. And there you go. Please make sure that all of your sources on your works cited have in fact appeared in your paper, and that all sites that you have cited in your paper appear here on the final works cited page. Ta-da, you're done.